So this is the one that Sir loves. They will start off like this, and then they'll tell you in which quadrant that angle is, which is x. I mean theta now. So just to quick brief through that, you must do a triangle. They say it's between 90 and 270. So we know it must be from this quadrant. Yes, because it must be more than 90, so it must be here, and less than 270. Yes, 270, so it must be somewhere here. But we see that sin is positive, and where is sin positive? In this second quadrant. Okay. You'll see sin is opposite over hypotenuse, so we just put the opposite side is 7, hypotenuse 25. This you can find it's 24, but you put negative there because it's on the negative side of the x-axis. So now the one cos of theta over 2. The thing is, we don't have that, right? But whenever you see something that's half a certain angle or double a certain angle, you can always use your sin double angle or your cos double angle. Can help a lot. But now we want something specifically with cos in, and we want something with cos alone. So we're going to think about that formula. Cos 2 of theta is equal to 2 cos squared, alpha, cos squared alpha minus 1. Okay. So now we see this is half. We see this is like half theta, but you must remember this whole thing is the angle. This whole thing on the side of cos is the angle. So what we basically just gonna do is put this in the place of theta. So now we're gonna say cos 2 times what is our angle? Our angle is this, right? So we're just gonna put the theta over 2, and in everything else we just put our angle, right? Remember, we want cos of theta over 2. So somewhere you must have a cos of theta over 2 in your formula, because that's what we're working towards. We want to find what this is equal to, and then minus 1. So now you'll see that this will just give you cos theta is equal to 2 cos squared alpha over 2, minus 1. So you will see when you have, this is half an angle now, a double angle is basically just 2 times that angle. So this is 2 times that, meaning this is half of that. Just think about it. Just think about it. So all you have to do is just put that in the place, this whole thing in the place of your angle, and there also in place of wherever your angle must be, and then you simplify this, you'll just get theta is equal to 2 area. So now let's see, what is the cos of theta? The cos of theta, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's negative 24 over 25 is equal to the side 2 cos squared alpha over 2 minus 1. Bring the 1 over 25 plus 1 is equal to 2 cos squared theta over 2, and then we will have 1 over 25 is equal to 2 cos squared theta over 2. We want this alone, so divide by 2, you're going to get 1 over 50 is equal to cos squared theta over 2. We want cos of that alone, so we just say square root. So the cos of the alpha over 2 is equal to the square root of 1 over 50, and then you are done. So your answer here is the square root of 1 over 50. Yeah, unless you must solve it further if they say with a calculator, but without, then